Cardano is going to launch the Vasil Hard Fork in the last week of July to boost the price of ADA along with its scalability in transactions. In this video, I'll explain the significance of the Vasil Hard Fork and how it could lead to Cardano seeing a bull run while other crypto coins are heading to their grave. By the end of this video, you will know all about the Vasil Hard Fork and its benefits to Cardano, and later on in the video, we will go over an extra benefit to Cardano that could actually drastically impact its price, so make sure you stick around until the end. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an important update in the rapidly changing world of investing. In answer to the demand for complete backwards compatibility, Cardano introduces the Vasil Hard Fork, or the Micro Protocol. What is the Vasil Hard Fork, you ask? Essentially, it will improve the network's efficiency and make Cardano more developer friendly. In the past, Cardano has typically rallied leading up to upgrades, but has underperformed following them. The Vasil Hard Fork is expected to improve the network in terms of speed and scalability significantly, and this brings Cardano one step closer to dethroning Ethereum as the king of smart contracts. Leading up to previous upgrades, the price of ADA has rallied strongly, but can we expect that this time? Also, if you're interested in learning about Cardano's secret code and why other coins should take note, be sure to click the banner in the upper right corner of the screen. Take a look at this chart. It shows the logarithmic price of ADA and also displays the previous forks in ADA. Other than the already mentioned Alonzo and Vasil, we have Shelly and Mary events. As we can see, leading up to these upgrades, ADA saw a strong price increase, though we can also point out that immediately following the upgrade, ADA's price went down, except for the Mary fork. It looks like the upgrades are treated as a buy the hype, sell the news type of event. It also makes sense that expectations run high leading up to the fork. Then, as is often the case, an upgrade launches, and there are typically minor bugs and problems which can cause lack of faith in the coin and user dissatisfaction. Lastly, we have to consider that these previous forks happened in the context of a bull market, and we are now entering the midst of a potential bear market with no definite end in sight. Though we could very well see a rally leading up to Vasil, ADA could provide us with one more low over the next few months, and this is consistent with the sell-offs we have often seen following the upgrades to the blockchain. Number 1. Reason for Vasil Hard Fork. The smart contract feature that the platform has been offering from September 2021, in our opinion, is the second most important factor in this change. The user undoubtedly supported the contract, but it did result in significant traffic, which caused the cost to rise and the speed to decrease. We think Vasil Hard Fork will immediately help the platform by luring more DeFi developers and users. Number 2. Why is Vasil Hard Fork so important? With the Vasil Hard Fork, Cardano will be able to offer larger blocks to support more transactions and applications, along with adding solutions for the proper execution of complex scripts. This new Vasil Hard Fork will increase the platform's developer friendliness while increasing the value of ADA, Cardano's native coin. It will boost ongoing projects in addition to facilitating better transactions. Number 3. The test run. The platform has already implemented a test to enhance the effectiveness of smart contracts in conjunction with monitoring the performance of the hard fork. Following Alonzo's hard fork lead, Vasil is anticipated to make a difference in the volume of Cardano's price that has been impacted for more than 6 months. Number 4. What is a Vasil Cardano Hard Fork? Cardano's DeFi Alliance urgently needs the light wallet's capabilities to accelerate along with other dApps, given its desire to offer Plutus enhancements. However, when more protocols and dApps like DEXs, NFTs, etc. are introduced, the transaction time will increase. The new Vasil Hard Fork has been made public with Cardano's main focus on offering speedier transactions and giving their users better security and new functionality. Number 5. Implementation of Vasil Cardano Hard Fork. This is accomplished by the use of pipelining for enhancing block propagation. Block propagation is the typical amount of time it takes for a new block to reach the majority of network nodes. Despite having a market cap of $15.9 billion and a $33.7 billion circulating supply, Cardano drops from 7th to 8th place in the CoinMarketCap rankings. Number 6. Extra benefit to the Cardano. As a result, it offers Cardano a sword as all to use in battle against any catastrophe regarding the security breakage that may arise in the future. Not only will it greatly aid the platform's ability to scale, but it will also move the fund inherent with the decentralized autonomous organization to a smart contract. Its main objective is to restrict funding withdrawals to rightful owners only. This update will be profitable for the blockchain in all dimensions, given that the blockchain also has other projects like DJED stablecoin and Cardano Hydra L2 under development. Number 7. Cardano's Vasil Hard Fork upgrade delayed. We anticipated the Vasil Hard Fork to be addressed on June 29th due to the fanfare created by Cardano's developer Charles Hoskinson. However, IOHK recently announced a delay in the debut, moving it to the final week of July. According to a blog article published by IOHK on June 20th, 2022, there are now only 7 bugs that require attention. Nigel Hemsley, head of delivery and projects, quoted, "However, we still have a few outstanding items that we need to run to confirm everything is working as expected. We have determined we'll need a few more days for this. We recognise that this news will be disappointing to some. However, we are taking an abundance of caution to ensure that we do this deployment correctly." Number 8. Impact of the delay on ADA. According to CryptoGlobe.com, Charles Hoskinson has disclosed the root of Terra's collapse, hence their team has resolved to exert significant caution. It is understandable why Terraform Labs' Algo stablecoin UST lost its spike after Anchor Protocol made a big $500 million withdrawal, causing a massive decline and diminished liquidity. Along with UST losing its index, this led to an extremely severe liquidity crisis due to the ongoing decline of a stablecoin. Even though trillions of Luna have been minted, nothing really made any difference. We have previously observed the beneficial impact on ADA when it crosses XRP in the past, and this is persisting as the Vasil Hard Fork brings up heavy upgrades involving 4 CIPs. Even though it is currently in 8th place, the Cardano still has an opportunity. Also, we don't know whether this delay might bring a positive result or excitement in the users of the blockchain, resulting in positive results for ADA in the near future. Will the Vasil Hard Fork impact the price of ADA? Of course. The real question we're asking is, how will the hard fork affect the price of ADA? From a fundamental perspective, the hard fork will improve the network's capabilities, especially as it relates to dApps and smart contracts. Improved efficiency will lead to more activity, which means more usage of Cardano's blockchain and its native token ADA. On top of that, we can also point to the fact that ADA has traditionally rallied leading up to hard forks. Now, if you are compelled by this niche already, check out our next content on how Cardano ADA could help Africa leapfrog into the future by clicking the left video on screen, or click the right video and let the YouTube algorithm feed your curiosity for knowledge.